it's time to rebuild this engine. Like we have cleaned the sludge, the little rust was there inside, everything is removed. You can see the sludge is nowhere found. So even the top part of the piston, it is cleaned a little bit. The nitro degreaser, like it worked very well. So I've already fixed the clutch. It doesn't matter more here. Like we are just building the backpack. So as this is a full start engine, like there was two small pieces. One is the spring, and the other one was this tiny piece, metal piece. So how it works is this. At first, the spring goes inside the crankshaft hole, and it goes very well. It goes inside this. Okay, it sits there, and this small piece, okay, this small metal circular piece, like it goes this small. The spring acts like a suspension, like cushion. For what it works like. So if you keep this piston in the top and when you align this the starter black plate, then you just try to it sits like this, and you take the this one, like it's better like we tighten all there is a small slot over here. You can see this goes exactly where this way. That is fixed. So we can do some adjustments. That won't be the problem. Right? Just loosen it a little bit. Slots in this, so we need to line it up and make it a smooth also. So basically, like, whenever we work on like we just need to screw it back. It should not be right side 1 and 2 and left side. It should be either top left bottom right or bottom top right or bottom. In that way, the diagonal screw should be there, like so it should have proper hold. It will hold it 100% flat. If you do tight one side, you're not sure how good the placement will be. haven't tightened the gear, so that's just this. All well and good. Now we just want to fix the exhaust. Actually, we'll line up like this. For exhaust, there is nothing special that you need to do. You can just hold it like this. Exhaust is fixed now. So this is the copper ring which goes in between the glow plug and the engine outer. This is kind of small engine. My wrench is actually broken. I'm just trying to do that. Put the engine back in place. Just fix it out. Doesn't matter more. Like it matters the differential and transmission. Okay, this one is right. Right side. Right there, it's like that. Everything is connected, shocks are filled, like the old oil has been replaced. The tank has been completely cleaned from the previous sludge. Things are done. So a little amount of fuel is there, and it is the filter for fuel. What I do is I add fuel into like fresh fuel and I pump it out now. And